Greetings from Croma Campus. Today in this session you will be going to learn about HVAC. The video will help you to understand the technicalities of the subject. Your trainer for today will be Arif sir.
Hello, hi guys. Welcome everyone in the session of HVAC. So, HVAC means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. So, in this session, we will discuss from the basic to the advanced level. So, first of all, we will discuss about the HVAC. What is HVAC? HVAC means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Okay. So, heating, what is heating? Heating is increasing of temperature. Okay. Ventilation means to supplying the fresh air into the any room and removing the odor air or the exhaust air from any zone to make the comfort zone. That is the ventilation. Okay. And air conditioning is a process in which we control the temperature, humidity, uh, airflow, purity at the same time. Simultaneously, we control all the parameters of air at the same time to make the comfort zone. So that is the air conditioning. So, right. So So heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, just we had discussed, it means the temperature outside is worse than inside. It means we are increasing the temperature. So ventilation, sending the air out from the space and supplying the fresh air into the space. So that is the ventilation. Okay. Ventilation we do with the help of exhaust fan or fresh air fan, with the help of fan. And air conditioning, as we had discussed, it's mean a process by which the temperature, humidity, flow, and purity of the air is controlled simultaneously to get the required condition to make the human comforts. So that's all about the HVAC. So in the session, we will discuss from the basic term to the advanced level. We will do the designing and all, right? So why do we require air conditioning? To improve a control and industrial process to maintain human comfort. So that's the reason. That's why we required air conditioning. The major purpose is to make the comfort zone for the human, for the machines, right? For industrial process, we used for the equipment. There are so many equipment which required a certain temperature, right? So why HVAC is more demanding? I have two queries. As you know that the mean temperature is getting increasing every year. Okay, the mean temperature of the Earth. So, and the pollution is getting high and high every year. So, this technology will increase day by day. So if I am comparing with the oil and gas industry, so many guys ask why should we don't go for the oil and gas piping. So I will suggest them oil and gas resources are limited resources in nature. So after certain period of time, it's going to be vanished. So only the maintenance will be there. But the thing is now we are shifting to the alternative option. So if you compare with these two industries, which are more popularly job based program, so I will, so according to that, the thing is that in upcoming years the requirement of HVAC will be more and more. Everywhere it is being used, shopping mall, airports, high rise buildings. So that's why. So let's we talk about the what are the market demands and career. So we will discuss from the basic to the advanced level. So by means of HVAC, after completion of these HVAC session, HVAC course, you will have an opportunity in a different field. Opening in the field of HVAC. So first in the marketing as a sales engineer, you can enter in the market as a sales engineer. After completion of HVAC certification course, so you would be able to explain all the technical details. Okay, so definitely you will have an option as a sales engineer, then design as a design engineer, because you will be able to understand the things how it works from the drawings and all legend samples. So and you can design the system, because before getting the certification you will have to go through a life project. So definitely you will learn the designing things and also the drafting to draft, we use the AutoCADs and the softwares, right? As a draft, in drafting, you can also enter designing and drafting, both are interconnected terms, right? So this, right, so you can enter into as a design engineer, as a draftsman as well, and installation as an execution engineer. If we are talking about the installations, it means you can go at site as a project execution in project management team, as an execution engineer, as a project engineer, as a project manager, right? So according to your qualification, you will have an opportunity to enter in installation as well, as a site engineer, project manager, right? HVAC project manager, HVAC engineer, HVAC project engineer. In installation, in maintenance, you will also have an opportunity to work as an operation engineer, as a shift engineer, maintenance manager, maintenance engineer. So you will have a lots of option after completion of the HVAC course, right? So we will discuss from the basics, all the terms we will taken from the basic to the advanced, right? So everything will be taken care. So the sensible heat, latent heat, so everything we will discuss in the detail, right? What is unit of refrigeration, all the basic terms, right? Also we have a mini software to design the HVAC system. So I'm just sharing you, just a minute. So see, uh, before getting certification, you will have to go through a live project, right? So we have a duct sizing, ductulator, duct sizer software. Just suppose if you have a theater, it means 1200 CFM. If you have, after calculating the load of the building, if you are designing a residential building, so you have to select at a certain parameter. Just suppose 1000 FPM we are taking from the design data sheet. So you will have a all these duct sizes, right? So you can find out the duct sizes. So we will provide you duct sizing software, right? We will also provide you a psychometric software. With the help of chart, psychometric chart, you will be able to understand, and we will also provide you the psychometric chart software, right? This is the carrier based software. So you will be able to understand the psychometric chart. You will be able to find out the values, dry bulb, wet bulb, relative humidity ratio. So we will discuss these things in detail during the session, right? So everything will be provided to you, softwares, the chart method, manual method, right? And also the heat load calculation you have to do. So we will provide you software to find out the heat load calculation with the help of E20 forms, right? So you can also find out the heat load of the building, right? The major thing is that, so just a minute, I will explain you all the things. So I'm just opening one of the drawings so you would be able to understand how the things are actually working. Just suppose this is the room. This is one of our life project. So you will have to go through a life project. So this is the room at which we have to find out the load of the building. The primary thing is that of HVAC engineer. So he has to find out the load of the building. So he will find out the each room load. So first of all, we will find out the load of this room. So with the help of software, with the help of manual calculation, E20 form. So here we will get the load. Once we get the load of the calculation, then we will select the equipment, which kind of equipment to be selected. It might be HU, it might be FCU, it might be window AC, split AC, VRV system, chill water system, centralized system. So everything depends on the load of the building. So we will select the equipment. Then we will do the designing of the system. So we will do the duct sizing, like here, how much CFM is there, what would be the duct sizing, what would be the grill size selection, duct sizing, pipe sizing, everything will be taken care. So you would be able to design this system, right? So you can You will able to understand the legends, symbols, everything. The so we what we do, the thing is that how we are different from other institute. The thing is that we work on a live project. We do so the thing you will be able to understand the things very much technically, practically. You will be able to understand more and more. So we focus only on those things for the candidate to understand the things practically more and more, not theoretic as well. But we do the basic thing as well from basic in the beginning of the session. But later on, we have to go through a live project. So that would be help you very much to understand the things practically. So you can also you will be able to mention in your CV that you have done the live project. So we will also assist you to how uh, to get placement. So we will assist you to get placed because all the trainers uh, in our institute, they are working in a MNC company. So definitely they will refer you, and also our institutes provides you to assist you to get placed in a well manner company. So for that you have to get a certification, right? So once uh, so before getting certification, you will have to do a project. One live project has to be completed by the students to understand the things practically, right? So everything will be provided, all the software, all the details, right? We will also help you to will also help you to get placed. Will help you to understand the things practically. I will provide you all the details of drawings details, right? So don't worry for the training. So we will provide you all the softwares, all the documents, all the notes and soft copy in PDF, right? Okay guys, if you have any query and question, do let me know. So thank you everyone, have a good day. Thank you.